Hi, this is Lisa from JoyfullyArt, and I'm going to be getting my YouTube video up and going again, and I wanted to give you a view of my studio. It's in the third bedroom of our house, and I wanted to show you some of my art that's up on the walls, some of the things that I have done. I started my YouTube channel a while back, and I just didn't feel that it was the right time for me to be doing it, so I stopped, and I want to try getting it going again. So I wanted to do this short video and let you see some of my work. So I'll just pan around my studio here for a moment and let you look. I've watched a lot of the other artists, and they are so good and give me so much inspiration. And here is my shelf. I just got finished. I believe her name is Tracy. I watched her and her husband came up with this idea of stringing yarn on your shelves to put your paintings in. It was a long, hard, tedious job, but it works so well. I'm so thankful for her and her husband for coming up with that idea. Your paintings don't stick together. You don't have to have any parchment paper between them or anything. This is another shelf that I keep a lot of my supplies on. I have some of my paints in squeeze bottles that are real handy right there on my table. I just got my wash machine pan, and I haven't even used it yet, so I'm anxious to see how that works out. There's the yarn that I strung on the shelves and my paintings that I put in. Gives you a lot more room also. Here is the flooring that my husband thought of, because I was getting paint all over our hardwoods, and it's just a foam flooring that you snap together, and it's a lot more comfortable to stand on. And if you spill paint on it, you let it dry and it peels right off. It's very nice. I believe we got it at Menards. It was very cheap also. Well, thanks for watching this video, and I'll be having some new ones up, and I hope you will like them, and please subscribe to my channel and give it a good thumbs up, share, and that's about it. Thank you.